Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage your suggested content on Instagram. So here, if you go to explore or maybe this reels on your Instagram, you can see there is three buttons here, and here there is manage suggested content. So if you click on that, you can choose the content that Instagram will be suggested for you. For example, here the interested, you can just click on this. If you add the post that you're interested in, you can just add it in here. You can also sensitive content. Here you can choose how much sensitive content to see, standard, more or less. And after that, you can also suggested content you've hidden. For example, you don't want to see content with specific words or phrases, click on this and just add the words that you don't want to see in your explore Instagram explore. And after that, just click on done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.